Okay, how did we get here? So one night, my friend came into the voice call. Have you heard about Helldivers? And it was here that I found out this game went hard. Now it's time to start Thunderstruck.
Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines!
Knockdown, that's so bad.
I hit it.
Watch out, Trevor, that might be close to you.
What if I get behind it?
He can climb the rug!
That's quite big.
Gotta get it.
Oh! So at this point, I was hooked. The game is really fun. And the armor. The armor looks sick. So, I needed it. So, we're gonna make it. First, we need files. Oh. Well, that was easy. Next, we need to scale them so they fit us properly. We're going to use ArmorSmith for that because it's easy. After we have everything scaled, it's time to print. After around like 2 weeks of printing, we'll have one armor set done. Out of 2. That's right, we're making 2! After everything's printed, it's time for the hard part. Sanding. Over 80% of this is sanding. Nothing else. Just sanding. You, the sandpaper, the grit between you and the plastic, the horrible scratching noise of plastic being shredded to be smooth again. Return to smooth brain. After everything's been sanded to 220 grit, we're gonna blast it with filler primer. That's right, we're gonna fill all the holes. We're gonna make it smooth again. And go back to sanding. For this time, with water. Once everything's been wet sanded, we can now kit it with real paint. The real paint! Duplicolor. That's right. Duplicolor. The stuff they use on cars. We're gonna use car paint for the armor. Once we have all the armor sanded, taped off, and painted, well, now we have to figure out how we're gonna attach it to us. Which, you might be thinking to yourself, it's not that hard. About that. Attaching the armor took a lot of out-of-the-box thinking. And we got it to work. It wasn't super hard, it just took a lot of thought. Oh, something extra we did was for my helmet, the Infiltrator helmet, we vacuum formed our own lens and dyed it. That was a whole thing. But I think it turned out pretty well. Here's some shenanigans that happened in the kitchen at like 9:30 at night. So what's the idea?
I'm losing it. We're in too deep. Counter's blue. Everything's turning blue. My hand's blue. I've got my whole hand in there, and the glove did not help. It went inside the glove. It was hot.
It's looking way better. It's no longer warped.
It's looking blue.
140 degrees.
It's now hot. I like the chicken tenders.
I just saw it. It's on the wall.
It's a oh no! Oh no! It's hot. It's not supposed to be on the wall.
I'll help. Oh, that's not coming off.
It should come off the metal. We're cooked. We're screwed.
Bro, it got on the counter. Oh, I also had to learn how to sew for this project, which That was new. Sewing wasn't super hard, it's just time consuming, I guess. There were files for the forearms to have fully plastic things, it just didn't look right. So we made them ourselves out of fabric, which it turned out alright. And I also had to make the capes. That was a whole process on learning how to do that. But once we had all that together, it was time to suit up. And suiting up didn't take too long. It took like maybe 7 minutes or so. I'm not timing it. We're not speed running how to put the armor on. And there you have it. They were done. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like and subscribe, please.
I'm alive!